saying, Gurudev? Say. You say your interpretation. Very good. You say. Very good. You say. What else? Holy figure. Now action is one. Reaction are? Now everyone is right or wrong? Everyone is right. So Mr. Right is everyone. Is Mr. Wrong there? No. According to her, this Mr. Right will be Mr. Wrong. So everyone is Mr. Right over here. Yes or no? So, Gurudev, what I am saying is, the answers will be different at different times for the same question, depending upon how you will ask the question. As your reaction to one thing is different. Now you sit in some other posture, Gurudev. In whatever you want, you sit. However you like. Now please say your comments, Gurudev. Say. After seeing him, what is coming in your mind? अच्छा, number 2. आप बोलिए गुरुदेव. Inward. Then you say. Huh? Okay. Then. What else? Now, thing is one, reactions are again different. Now, if reactions are different, meanings are different. Interpretation is different or same? Different. So, different people, different readings, same question. Same question, different people, different readings. Yes or no? So, one medicine if you have, or one question, different people are going to ask the question. According to the frequency of the wavelength of the question, the answers will differ. Not necessary your answer is same. So there is nothing to verify. Verify is only your experience. How do I know I am right? Verification is only your experience. And as this gentleman said, practice. Beautifully he said, if you are weak in maths, you need to change your karma, you need to practice. To do the practice and then creative visualization. Correct? But first very thing is, I said cosmic connection, cool cosmic connection, 3 C's. You make 3 C's for dowsing. Cool cosmic connection. Why cool? Because you have to be as cool as ice. You don't have to react to anything when you do dowsing. If you are going to ask questions for yourself, the answers will be different at different times, not what you want. And if you are asking for your children or for something or the other to which you are attached, first bottom line is to be cool. Cool cosmic connection का सब answer देता है dowsing. And that can be done only when you are cool internally. Now how can you be cool internally are the steps of dowsing. How will you be cool internally? Suggestion number 1, आप बोलो. Excellent. Number 2. Very good. Number 3. Meditation yoga. How meditation say? Say no whatever. Very good. 4. आप बोलो. आप बोलो. आप बोलो गुरुदेव. ब्यूटिफुल. सब लोग ने ब्यूटिफुल बोला. बी विटनेस इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. एक्सीलेंट. नाउ फर्स्ट इज दैट यू हैव टू बी स्टेबल इनसाइड गुरुदेव. टू बी स्टेबल विद इन योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. एंड एज शी सेड वेरी राइटली, टू do something like breathing techniques. We can do some breathing techniques of Om. Low pitch, middle pitch, high pitch. Om, then Om, then Om. 3 levels of Om and about say 11 times. So that will come to 33 times. Low, medium and high pitch. So that we become cool inside. That is one, we'll do one breathing technique. Number 2, to see that we are emotionless. There has to be 0 level of emotion within us. See, usually this gentleman had one scene like this. Your interpretation was different. Suppose someone's interpretation was something that would hurt his heart. Would you feel hurt, gentlemen? Some comment which is going to prick you. Will you feel hurt? Yes or no, Gurudev?
I would.
Correct? Now, here is one sentence to follow. You take in only what is required. Don't take in what is not required. Take in what is required. Don't take in what is not required. Means what? What does it mean, please? I said take in what is required. I am not saying positive. Don't add. Take in what is required. What does it mean? No, it is take in what is required for your system, Gurudev. It's only that. Don't even say positive or negative or anything. Why you want to name anything? What is the question? What are we saying just now? Yeah, so what is required to be taken in, that only you take. To speak, I need to move my tongue. That is required. Yes or no? Do I need to use my ear? Do I need to use my ear? To sit, I need to take a chair. Do I need to use my eyes to sit? It's like this. Are you getting it? Only what is required. That means you come only in the present moment. Past is gone. Future doesn't exist. So it's only present. And in present also what is required? Yes or no, Gurudev? Agreed? So past ko maro chokdi, future ko maro chokdi, and only present, and that is now. So what is important in now? Happiness. Yes or no? Enjoyment. Yes or no? चलो झूठ मूठ भी स्माइल तो दिया. हाँ, सब गुरुदेव ने स्माइल तो दिया. If your present moment will be happy, you will generate happiness inside. Your whole future will be happy. Yes or no? Enjoyment. That means what? Coming to a very crucial question. Dependence of happiness inside you. Yes or no? Now gentlemen, see here. One more question to you only. Do one action. Please do the same action. Now I am commenting. क्या यार ऐसा सीन करके बैठा है? ए बुद्ध भगवान को कॉपी करता है यार, ये तो कॉपी कैट है. साला कॉपी कैट है. Now what reaction? Tell me, Gurudev. हाँ?
I was just doing that to you.
अच्छा, you are doing that to me, but I told you क्या यार, साला ऐसा कॉपी करता है बुद्ध को. आपको अंदर हार्ट में क्या हुआ? पिंचिंग फीलिंग लगा, कुछ लगा, क्या लगा? हाँ, क्या लगा? उसको क्या लगा? ओके ठीक है. तो सब कुछ ओके ठीक है करके बाहर फेंक दो ना. अंदर क्यों लेता है सिस्टम में? जब तुम अंदर सिस्टम में लेता है तो तुम्हारा रिएक्शन या रिस्पॉन्स आता है. यस या नो? फॉर यू गुरुदेव आई एम सेइंग. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सिस्टम में लेगा तो कुछ आता है, उसको तुम लेगा ही नहीं तो क्या क्यों आएगा अंदर? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. द चॉइस इज योर्स in the present moment to take inside or not to take inside. It's as simple as this. So the choice is yours, so you will create that vibration, that thought pattern, and you will attract those people around you. Are you getting it? Your sankalpa has got that power. It will attract those people around you what you require at the given moment. Because you are the creator, generator and destroyer. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, everything is within you, nothing outside. Yes or no, Gurudev? Everything is within. So it's all, you will attract only that what you think. And how you will attract? Through the energy level. And how is the energy created? Through your speech. Understanding, experiencing and being. Three things are there. Understanding, experiencing and being.